Guys, umaMzobeee uyasha, umaMzobeee ushile, kodwa umlilo awubonwa umuntu, ubonwa uyena kuphela. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 27th to the 30th of November 2023 on Monday. Mthembu's fire has done damage. umaMzobeee licks her wound and try her luck at the worship grounds on Tuesday. Unokubonga is ready to come clean to Maphalala ubaba wakhe and reveal imfihlo ekade imshisa ngaphakathi. The councilman feels victorious after their mqhelezi created a demarcation. Gabi is taunted by nightmares. Ugabi guys, but uzohlushwa amaphupho amabi njengoba ke ekade lawyer nomaMzobeee on Wednesday. umaMzobeee resort to desperate measures. Unobuntu glot to umaMzobeee about amalobolo kazodwa. Unobuntu gets cursed by one of her parents, of which is umaMzobeee on Thursday. Nokubonga finally wamtshela ke ubaba uMaphalala ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzekeni empilweni yakhe. The Mthembu's gears up for the fight for their church. Undoda gives umaMzobeee the ultimatum. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share